Fucking shit, man. Oh. Tahu kau punya kelai. Kelai ni. So, kulai mo pula people. Kulai pula. It's early morning. And it's Monday view. So, we are doing our seawall work today. With the... We will do the seawall work today. So, join us. This is the rock that we already take it out from last week. Uncle, that's the technique of taking out the rock from the shed. The what? Ooh. This is how people. And that's Penasi.
Oh yeah, that's really
Yeah. Pekshawa, Kurui, Inia, Chochiria. This is the. Hey, hey, look, hey. And that's Tavale Rami over there. Same over there. Huh?
This contract is long time contract. No money. Fucking shit. Very hard.
That's the seawall where it's in. Over there. Then we're gonna carry out. We're gonna continue the seawall from there. There's some rock we already put it over there. For that, and we are starting a new one here. Then some other one up there.
Tahu kau punya kelai. Kelai ni.
Batangkar apa benar? Boy.
Mata apa? Leba, fuck kau polisiku.
May berapa? Matin.
Maten first.
Yeah, may. This is people. We're gonna dig out the rock from the sand from the rock, and then the other group will go carry the rock to make the work easier. Brother, make the work easier. Look. Yeah, that's the boy. That's the technique. Boy, you strong boy. Rock last night. Itu ya?
Siapa nak?
Ah,
Kan the empty village.
this boy, big boy, carry two small too.
Bukan.
Suket dan.
Ya mau.
Suket. Hey, good morning boy. What's your job for the thing? What's your job?
Small kain.
Small kite.
Fill in the blank.
Marble. So this brother looking here is gonna collect the small stone,
Gonna fill
the seawall. When the bigger stone on the side,
the
then we fill with the small part, small marble.
One marble look aja, barunya marble. Yeah, ini marble. The fellow said the marble he used to use it. In this marble.
Yes, starting to get big. Yeah. Yeah. Awesome. Even the Cabo Barrel video they ask. It's been a while. It's been a while, Mo.
Long time.
You all welcome, eh?
Welcome. Everybody is welcome in this. Yeah. See, that's how we crack, eh? Oh. Man. See, crack. Crack. Yeah,
Hey!
oh, you pull it up. See this young fella. 16 years old with 18. Can you try?
Why you late today? Huh? When the we cry, you come straight because you the smallest one in here. You the small boy, too much sleep. It's all fast. How was the job so far, brother? Eh? What's the part of the job to broke the
Job here.
yeah?
Job, you can cut.
That's two.
That's the
Common sense, okay?
common sense.
Easy to the people, nobody tired, eh? Mindset.
Mindset. Big problem.
Hey, good morning, boy.
Today is a good day.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, see? Miracle happened.
Identify. Carry this too.
Yeah.
Cody here.
Yeah. Uncle there. Uncle the master of the broken stone. Oh, uncle. Uncle didn't know the input, eh, uncle?
Rain.
Oh, this is a dangerous weather here in the village. The sun with the rain.
Here.
We are in a low, how many category cool? Iya.
I see you. Ano guys? What's her name?
Yeah. How was that stone? Eh? That's big in pieces, but in rat, small. One hour, brother. How's the job so far? Huh? Very painful.
How you gonna crack
Wait, still going.
Yeah, how you gonna crack it? Just gonna to the middle side, huh? To the middle. Yeah. Nothing more in front.
Come on, brother. That's the last stone. See, every stone we already broke. That's the last one.
Crack.
Come on, brother.
You deep inside that.
Let me see. Ooh, diri.
Very old.
Make it real, boy.
The more you make big hole, the big hole.
We will join together.
How you gonna make one big hole?
Crack.
Crack. How? One big red. One big red.
The face is big, the heart is
How you
small.
gonna crack it? How you gonna crack it? Okay. Yeah. Crack another one. Crack another one. You burn the two.
Boy, the engine with the boom, eh? Yeah. That's
Kind of low.
yeah. That's how you. You small boy. You late from the work today, eh? Fuck you. Harap, put it up. Shoot up, boy. Don't be mad. So this is how you take it out from the sand to the stone, eh? Enough, eh? See, the stone shake up, the sand go down.
Wah, kan kasihan.
Guys. Ah, see, the stone here. Rest man, rest. Too much hard work, eh? One up.
Andre Badope.
The beratnya very good. Big village. So back to okay? Back to.
Just like you carry one.
Ano boy? These guys, the small ones, they have strong power. Carry the small ones. Fuck you.
It's them.
See the fish in the mangrove. Dam, eh?
Yeah, this is a dam. Dam ni bicir.
Another one. Let me see.
This a baby.
Make it alive.
Alive in a stamp.
How is it so far? How is it? Huh?
Very good and very fine. You love that job. Love how you do it. Every big stone, every small stone, we cut it.
To feel it, eh?
Put it inside. Strong it. Go deeper, but then go in front.
Now you bertalu ke different company now.
Company where?
Big Marble now.
Big Marble! Loving this thing. It's gonna help us. Because the sea level is moving up.
Degrees up the sea level.
Yeah. Little bit. We just do it. We love this job. Make our village look good.
So more beautiful girl can come.
Yeah.
When the girl
You
comes,
the
they
beautiful
enjoy the
lady.
day.
If you love to stay in the sea, stay in the sea.
Eating seaweeds, eh?
Eating Dairo. What's this? What do we call this? Chikukama. Yeah. I think if you watch this video, we love you.
Yeah. Send us our love.
Make sure you send your heart.
White horses.
What I
See the struggle, eh? Hey, brother, this is struggle for the beauty of the. Small kind, big marble. Cricket boy. Oh, Anabu boy. That's the first time.
make sure you update on our visual thing. Gonna do it, then show it to you every time.
Yeah.
We do it. Make it beautiful.
Yeah. Even the past that we built the seawall, eh?
Yeah.
We didn't care how long the seawall take us.
Yeah.
We will walk for the seawall.
We will work it.
Yeah. Walk it.
Our school there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stay in.
Yeah.
We will do it on the seaside. Make them love this island.
Yeah.
Love walking here.
Woohoo.
All the beautiful ladies
Mana?
there. Me and brother look at. Love you all, eh?
Yeah.
Love you all.
Kasih the uncle. Huh? Uncle, di mana? Bardo, you want to say something? Hey, brother, come. Time to move down. Hey. That's the stone that we already picked out from the over there, and some from the trees, mango trees. There's a new stone there, But now we're going back. It's 12. We're still working for the sea wall. Move closer.
Small stone.
Small marble here. Gua di kampala puna bunera kuri. Kuri, oh buki ka. Lapsar mi taki. Ngor. Oh, 80 kg woman. Big one, eh? Yeah. general size ya. Pinaka. This is the two sponsor for the today. Tajan. Two sponsor. You. Huh? You sponsor the. How's the hole? You happy stand today, guys? You happy when it's ending? Whoa! Happy. So that's what we done today. Rocks from there. Masing lu. Hands the tools, hands the tools. Hah? Jangan kana manta. Kana. Why? Thank you for the water.
Water for pula.
Thank you water bottle.
Water bottle ngamur.
Nakatay.
Nakabuang. Ilang.
Hah? Yung nga, work hard, didn't use your mind.
Bulang. Tama na mangicing. Ano bang sosyo na mangicing ulwa? Mangicing sa kain, mangicing sa mana ulwa sa mga turang na rupul. Alam mo sa meron na sa wala ni ro. Anon to mani kina. Malam namin ko tayo kinilang nilang chicken tayo lang raw. Kalim chicken na bang na. Wala beri lang. Wala tamang sa tambong kami sumunod yung pagkumatak. Pero nga chicken na lang ni tambe lang ng chicken. Kalau nga chicken na suso nandun na sige mataka. Ay no niluluto nga na kasto. Mana?
Hindi na amdo.
Do. Mangit sa kalebu. Masa. Nabaliw na loloman, nabaliw na itabi sa ngarabraw, nabaliw na sulusuli barang bang taki, kira mo ni bos makulungatak, imbenom ni rani pakulungatan na lingin ibing grabe, pakulungatak kira ka na tuyo besi ura-ura, kim mamichulun no ni loloma, tisu ni soro ko bomba.
Many.
This is the food.
This is the food for today. Lumi. Surprise. Rice. Dal. This is cucumber, tuna with noodles. Filman the stomach.
Now you feel the stomach.
Okay.
You already feel your head, you feel the stomach now.
Kuli. Afternoon, people. It's afternoon. And right now we're gonna go and get some sand for the seawall. And we're just waiting for the tide to come up. Let's get in there. So yeah, let's go. Go, hagabubu, uncle.
Bukan tuh.
Eh? You want to say something?
As you can see, people, we are about to go to Lebuka and get the sand for the seawall.
In Lost Island.
In the
Not Levo,
Land of
Palestina.
the lost. Land of the lost.
So today we're gonna find out the land of the lost.
Take another one.
Me big spade here. Spading the you small one too much eat and sleep with the look. Chấm tôi bolak nằm duang gitu gol naik tel bang. So we have 2 boats to go and get in. This is the first boat. Para Raju here, captain. School captain. New style, eh? New style of riding big boat. That one? Mana?
I'm from Fiji.
Hah?
That's
That's the second boat, far away. Second. And that's the island that we're gonna go and get sand from. Yeah. Cross away. What's in me? Now people, we started loading the bags of sand. Okay. There's Cody coming in there. Yeah, Cody. With Popo on his hand. Popo. Coolie. Right. Mrs. Rabai.
How's the lunch? How's the lunch, huh? How's the lunch? Lost. Oh no.
This is just yes, bra. This while ago is the smallest guy. Huh?
This guy,
Time to load.
Okay, look.
Time to load, people.
Loading time. You have to carry the bags from where it is to the boat. 3 boats in. Ready for the shore. We completed. Are you ready? Sibo! Paful! Wag to. Work together. Togetherness bring happiness. Three boat of sand. One is ready. Second one. Third one. Hardworking boys.
You faster. Iya, faster. Iya. Apa kan? The first boat is the first boat is what?
Fucking shit, bro.
Tahu?
Fucking shit yang
The first boat is Talagas de okay.
taking out the groceries.
Taking out the groceries. Time to take away the grocery. Minta nyugang ya. Barata William barata chop.
Hasil capek.
Heavy
boy to heavy. Oh, thank you. See. People lanjut yang no,
Oh, I didn't listen to you, brother. Hakan abu buti deh, hakan abu. Kuli, come, Kuli. Have tea. Tea time, brother. Lisa. Thank you, Nael, for the tea. Thank you. Bale, you bake the mamakaw?
Yes, Baba. I make the Baba. Sit down, Baba. Kasama cake. With jam and butter.
Lisa, you bake the what?
I bake the milk for you.
This is the gulgula, roti, pie, bun. This is the pigeon meat thing. This is the cassava thing.
Swan.
Yang mana? That one. What do you call? Cassava. What is it called? Done. Hey, you want to have a big baby? Eh, cute baby. Eh, come to Nabuc. Eh, boy. Eh, Chan, she big, strong. If you want a big baby, come to Nabuc. White and strong, eh? Eh, boy.
Yeah.
Don.
Just complete without some
Wunde pati.
Bunde.
Small wunde
Session,
time. Oh, wunde session.
Big boys. On top. Ini kalau on top kumruk kayu ya.